Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Travel with JJ. Firstly, Happy New Year. Wish you all a wonderful and successful year ahead. And secondly, my apologies for not uploading regular videos onto my channel. This year, it's an oath that I've taken that I'll make sure that the videos are regularly updated in my channel. Now coming back to this today's video. Right, so I really wanted to share the experience about one thing which I did or which I gifted myself this year to me, right, which is the GoPro Hero Black 7. This is an awesome action camera in the market. Now I know you have GoPro 8 already in the market, but somewhat this was like a little bit affordable for me and also suited my needs. So the needs differ based on the camera requirements, based on the camera needs, right? So this GoPro Hero 7 is a special bundle which actually included an additional battery, 32 GB memory card, and also a selfie stick, right? So now the purpose of this video, right? So there are a lot of pros and cons in GoPro Hero Black, but there's one con. As a beginner using GoPro, there is one con, which is the battery, right? I've heard from a lot of my friends that the battery does not last long for 30 minutes continuous video shoot. So I did experience the same in my today's vlog. Now, when I came back to home, I did a lot of Googling and found out a solution to that. And the solution is you don't need a battery in GoPro to do a vlog, but you need a battery. Yeah, I'll tell you what the catch is, right? So now let's go and see how this operates. I'll just tilt my camera to my table. So here you go. I'll just remove this box. Now, firstly, I'm removing the clip of the GoPro, taking out the camera. So it's a simple push from here. You push it, and the camera comes out. Let's keep this aside. Okay, so now it's switched off. Touch is not working, so it's switched off, and I'm switching it on. I'm just pressing this mode button. So as you know, this is to power on and also to change the mode from video, time lapse, and photograph. And this is the capturing button, right? So switching it on, the red light blinks, and the cam is up, right? So here now you have the battery as 100%. I'm not sure if you're able to see that, but it's 100%. The battery is there. Now let me remove the battery. I'm again switching it off. It's switched off. I'm removing the battery. Here you go. Battery removed. So there is no battery here. It's only the memory card. Battery is here. I'm keeping it in front of you. Here, I'll close this lid. Locked. No battery, it will not switch on. Okay, now when I said you don't need a battery, but you need a battery. So you don't need this battery, but what you need is this battery. Yes, guys, this is an external power bank. It's an AmBrain power bank with 20,000 mAh, the 5 volt and 2.1 and 2.1 output. Yeah, so you need this, right? Now how it works. So I'm taking one C cable of my mobile phone, which is quite a lengthy one. It's very lengthy. Here in this power bank you have two ports. So one is a double charge port and one is a single charge port. I think the double one is the maximum charge, which gives you around 5 volt and 2 amps. So I'm connecting my USB port onto this and this C-type to GoPro, where you usually put it for charging. Right. I'll just remove this. This pin is removed, so it's easier for us to see. So I'm putting this onto the C port. The light goes on in this USB, and now I'm powering my GoPro. There you go. So you see the red symbol here, it says no battery, but you can still record. It's recording. It's saving in the memory card. Every function is perfect. So all that you need to do, I'm again stopping the video. Perfect. It works pretty good, right? So this I thought would be really, really useful for those who are traveling for a long distance, where they didn't they want to capture each and everything in their travel. So you just put the power bank onto your backpack. So since this is a long wire, even if you mount it in your chin mount or in your head mount, wherever it is, it can still reach out. The only disadvantage is you can't have an external mic connected to this. So that's the only disadvantage. But this should be definitely useful for those who are traveling for a long distance, and those who actually want to do some time lapse overnight, to capture the sunset and the sunrise. And for those who basically those who don't want sound, right? So I think this is a good tip, which is useful, which could be useful. It's definitely useful for me. I'm also trying to explore an additional option where you have one more adapter which actually connects both the audio and charger to it. I'm not sure how far it's going to work out, but if it works, I'll definitely update you guys in my next video. So I hope you enjoyed this. Please do subscribe and like to my channel. I will soon be updating my motor vlogs onto this channel with my GoPro. Until then, bye-bye.